Hey everybody, welcome back to another Sensei University video. My name is Chase, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to take a quote and convert it to an order, right? And there's going to be a couple of different important things to remember here. The first thing I want to point out is that there is a direct relationship between leads and quotes and customers and orders. And what I mean by that is if I click Sensei YouTube, the name at the top, it'll actually redirect us back to the lead page, and you can see the black line at the top. That's how we know it's in the lead page. But what I will show you is that once we convert this to an order, this quote into an order, it'll actually take Sensei YouTube, the lead, and automatically move it over into customers, right? So I'm going to show you that now. The first thing we're going to do on our quote page is we are going to click the blue button at the top right hand corner where it says convert to order. Once I do that, I'm going to click proceed. And as you can see, it moved it from quotes to orders. So now if I click Sensei YouTube's name up here at the top left hand corner, we are now a customer. You can see that under the customers tab here. Just for reference, if you're ever looking for an order underneath a customer, what you'll do is you'll see a collection of all the orders directly below their status, and you just click the blue hyperlink of the order name. And now we're on our order page. So that's quick and easy how you convert a quote into an order. Make sure you follow the rest of our videos. There's some links in the descriptions to see how you can generate a contract, how you can share that order with your manufacturer, and how you can get paid through our invoice system. Thank you guys for checking out another Sensei University video. My name is Chase, and as always, we can't wait to hear the feedback, can't wait to see you guys, and until then, we'll see you next time.